Honing your English skills, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase, honing skills. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and how you can apply this concept to improve your English proficiency. So, let's get started. Honing skills is a phrase that means improving or refining a skill that you already have. The word hone originally refers to sharpening tools like knives, but when used metaphorically in this phrase, it's all about making your skills sharper and more effective. In the context of language learning, honing your English skills means practicing and refining your existing knowledge and abilities in English. Honing your English skills is crucial for several reasons. 1. Improvement in communication. Better English skills lead to clearer and more effective communication. 2. Confidence boost. As your skills improve, you'll feel more confident in using English in various settings. 3. Career advancement. Strong English skills are often essential for career growth and opportunities, especially in international environments. 1. Regular practice. Consistent practice is key. Engage in daily activities like reading, writing, or speaking in English. 2. Seek feedback. Get feedback on your language use from teachers, native speakers, or language learning forums. 3. Set specific goals. Focus on specific areas, like vocabulary expansion, grammar improvement, or pronunciation. 4. Use real-life situations. Practice English in real-life scenarios, like shopping, ordering food, or having conversations with friends. 5. Embrace mistakes. Learn from your errors. They are an essential part of the learning process. There are many tools and resources available to help you. Language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel offer interactive ways to practice. Online courses. Websites like Coursera or Udemy have courses specifically designed for English learners. Language exchange. Participate in language exchange meetups or find conversation partners online. Books and media. Reading books, watching English movies, or listening to podcasts in English can be very beneficial. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding what honing skills means and how you can apply this to your journey of mastering English. Remember, the key is consistent practice and a willingness to learn from your experiences. Keep honing your English skills, and you'll see amazing progress. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English learning content.